Namaste guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video I am going to discuss about how many universities I have applied and in which universities I have applied till now. So a bit about myself, as you have seen in my introduction video. So if you haven't seen that, then please go and check it out. But still I am telling a bit. So I have done my bachelor's in electrical engineering and I have passed out in 2021. But I have applied in industrial engineering for masters in industrial engineering and only in US for the time being. So this is a bit about myself. I haven't said all the things like how many podcasts I have done or what are the extracurricular and co-curricular activities I have done till now. So I will be making a separate video for that about my whole profile and what I had to do so that I can apply for industrial engineering and how I got the universities. So that's a different topic and I'll be making a video on that too. So in this video, I will be specifically talking about which universities I have applied and when I have applied. So I have done pretty early applications, right? There are few applications that I did a bit later on, but yeah, it was fine and I backed some admits and there are still more decisions to come. So we will be discussing all this in this video. So my first application was North Carolina State University. So I think it opened on 1st of August or 5th of August. I don't know that when they started their application process, but still I wrote down the dates, the tentative dates when they started, and I applied on 8th of September. So yeah, I secured an admit on 1st of December. I got the admit from NCSU and I was very happy because it was an ambitious university for me. So it was pretty good to get this university. Yeah, so move on. I will also make a separate video on the universities, on my admits and rejects. So we will keep this thing for the next videos because there are a lot of decisions that are going to come this month itself. So let us go for the next university. I have written it down because I don't otherwise I will forget. So yeah, the second university was NU Boston, which is a very good university. It is Northeastern University, which is in Boston. So I applied on 30th September. Yeah, it was also pretty early, right? Then I applied on University of Wisconsin-Madison. It is one of the best university for industrial engineering. And yeah, I got a reject from this university. And I know that what is the reason I got a reject from US Madison. So I will be discussing this also in the later videos. Now the third that I applied was the fourth one is University of Michigan Dearborn. It was a safe university and it is associated in Dearborn, which is near to Detroit. And everybody knows that Detroit is a very good place for manufacturing companies, right? So I chose University of Michigan Dearborn. The fifth university is University of Southern California. It is one of the biggest university if you have known. So I applied once again. I applied it on 30th of September, early application, and I think that they opened their portal on 1st of September. I don't know. This is the tentative date that I have written it, but I don't know. It might be early or it might be late. Right. Then the sixth university that I applied was I written it. Yeah, it was University of Arizona. Yeah, this is actually a very good university because it is in Tucson as well as this has some of the oldest industrial and systems engineering department. So I applied this on 7th of October. So it is also a very good university and I chose this because it came under my moderate university. So I hope that I will get an admit from this university, but let's see that what happens. And then I applied to Clemson University, which is another one of the best university. It is located in South Carolina. So I applied there on 9th of October. So yeah, their industrial engineering department is really good, but the location is a bit a bit hectic because there are not so many mega cities or metro cities nearby that. I think Atlanta is only city that is nearest to the Clemson University, right? Then I applied to University of Minnesota Twin Cities. It was on 17th of October. I think that this was a pretty late application for me because when I was searching for universities, I didn't found the University of Minnesota Twin Cities on my list because at first I overlooked it. Then I thought that why not to check their website very carefully and very thoroughly. Then I knew that yeah, this university is also a very good university. So and yes, another university was Wayne State University. It is originated in Detroit. So I applied on 26th of October. So in each and every single universities, in all these universities, I have applied in industrial engineering or industrial and systems engineering. Now they have different names for different departments. So yeah, in total I applied to 10 universities. So yes, I also applied in SJSU, but due to some problems, I couldn't keep it with my application process. So I just moved that from my list. So these are the list of 10 universities that I have applied, and I also want to tell that for the timing I got 4 decisions where I got 3 universities and 1 reject. Means I got 3 admits and 1 reject. So I will be discussing that on the later videos, like when I got the admits, then why I got the reject, and what they seen in my profile that they gave me that admits. These are the probable. It will be a probable cause that why they rejected me or why they gave me the admit. So I am waiting for a few more admits so that I can make that video, because there are 6 more decisions to come, and let's see what happens. So these are the list of universities that I have applied to, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please share it, as well as you can comment down below that what are the next videos that you want to see. So thank you guys. Thank you.